Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in to the Google account that holds the photo. This ensures you remove the correct image. Once signed in, open the Google account page and tap Personal Info. This is where profile details live. Make sure the account shown in the top right is the one you intend to change, because Google can switch between accounts silently. If you're on mobile, use a browser and request desktop site for full settings. This prevents missing options that sometimes hide in app views. Next, find the profile photo area under Personal Info and click the thumbnail or camera icon. That opens Upload and Remove controls. You'll see Remove or Delete. Select it to clear the image, and wait for the confirmation that the change synced. If Google only offers Replace, upload a plain initial or generic avatar to achieve the same visual removal. Once done, refresh the account page and check other Google services where the picture may still cache. This forces propagation across apps and devices. Finish by confirming the profile no longer shows the photo across Gmail, Drive, and Meet. Sometimes cached images linger, so clear your browser cache and reload. If you still see the old picture, sign out of all devices and sign back in, or open an incognito window to verify the change immediately. Make sure to wait up to 24 hours for servers to fully sync. If the remove option was unavailable, check account permissions or contact Google support while you follow the sign out and cache steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.